Hello students, today I will start chapter number 13 of your reasoning book, that is blood relation. Let's see the question number 1. If A is the brother of B, B is the sister of C and C is the father of D, then how D is related to A? There are four options given in this question. The first one is brother, next is sister, next is nephew and next is cannot be determined. Is when as in the question A is the brother of B and B is the sister of C. Similarly, C is the father of D. That means D's gender is not given in the question. That means maybe D is male or female. That means if we related from D to A, he will be or she will be nephew or niece. That means according to the question, which option will be right? C. Because niece is not given in this question, so its option number C will be right. Now let's see student the next question. If D is the brother of B, how B is related to C? To answer this question, which of the statements are necessary? The son of D is the grandson of C, and the second statement is B is the sister of D. Here are the options. Option number D will be right for this question. Let's see the solution. As in the question, the given value is D is the brother of B. And from the statement 1, we can observe that D is the son of C. That means son of D is the grandson of C. Similarly, from the statement 2, we can observe that B is the female. That means she is sister of D. Therefore, B is the daughter of C. This is the solution of this question. Similarly, let's see the next question. P is the brother of Q and R. R is R's mother. T is P's father. Which of the following statement cannot be definitely true? There are the options. Let's see the solution of the question. P, Q are children of same parents. That means S, who is the R's mother, and T, who is R's father, will be mother and father of all three. So it is not mentioned whether Q is the male or female. So D cannot be definitely true. This is the solution of this question. Let's see the next question. If F is the brother of A, C is the daughter of A, K is the sister of F and J is the brother of C, then who is the uncle of J? There are the option of the given question. Let's see the solution. F is A's brother. Similarly, C is the daughter of A and J is the brother of C, where J is the son of A also. So F is J's uncle. That means which option will be right? A option. Let's see the next question. All the 6 members of a family A, B, C, D, E and F are traveling together. B is the son of C, but C is not the mother of B. A and C are a married couple. E is the brother of C, D is the father of A, and F is the brother of B. Then how many male members are there in the family? These are the options given in the question. Let's see the solution of this question. For the solution, let's see the question. B is the son of C, but C is not the mother of B. Means C is the father of B. Similarly, A is married to C, that means A is the mother of B. And F is the brother of B, means F is the son of A and C. D is the daughter of A, means D is the daughter of A and C. So A is the mother and hence she is female. B is the son and he is male. C is the husband and hence male. And D is the daughter means female. F is the brother means male and F is the son means male. So there are how many members? There are 4 males members in the family. I hope now you can solve each and every question which are related from this exercise. But student, this is a very important thing that firstly you have to prepare each and every formulas, and you have to see each and every examples which are given before the questions. So please firstly you have to see each and every example and then prepare the formulas which are related to these questions. Okay, thank you.